So what is a noun? Let me give you a very precise definition, that all naming words are noun. Simple. Anything that has got any name, it would be a noun. So let us move on to its types. The very first type that we are going to discuss today is concrete noun. It is further subdivided into two, that is common and proper. For example, car, boy, girl, these are common nouns, and London, Delhi, Paris, etc. London, Delhi, Paris are proper noun. So move on to the next, abstract nouns. Abstract nouns, well, we do not have any physical being, I mean, which cannot be touched, like for example, love, hate, honesty, anger, etc. Then move on to the next type, that is countable and uncountable. So it is very obvious from the names of these definitions, things that can be counted and things that cannot be counted. For example, pen, book, chair, these are the example of countable nouns. There are umpteen number of examples that can be counted, that would come under the category of countable nouns. So I have given just few examples so that you people uh, get the reflection of what actually countable and uncountable nouns stands for. So I think that these examples are enough to uh, enable you people understand countable and uncountable noun. So forward slash, so water, ice, stars, etc., these are uncountable noun. Okay, we cannot count the entire water of the sea, we cannot count the stars, etc. So moving on to the next, that is collective nouns. So collective noun, the word itself says, speaks a lot about its definition. That means when we refer to something collectively, like group of person, places, or things, like people, right? So group of person we call people. It may be male, it may be female, but we commonly call it as people. So collectively call it as people. Like team could be of male, female, but we call it as a team. Where there is a group of sportsmen, army, class, etc. So in class we do not mention whether it is a boys class or a girl class, we just say class. So collection of uh, many individual collectively called as in school a class. So next come to the compound nouns. So compound nouns uh, are basically a noun that is made with two or more than two words. So we have compound words as well. So compound noun refers to the words which are noun but they are compound as well. So compound simply means the words that are made up of uh, a single word that is made up of that contains two or three word, like classroom. So class is one word, room is another word, but here in compound nouns classroom is understood together, right? Two word, one meaning. Then bedroom, heartbeat, classmate, etc. So these are the definition of the examples of the compound nouns. So moving on to the next, we have possessive nouns. So possessive, again the word itself speaks a lot about itself, like which shows possession, like teachers, pen, friends, calculator, etc. So it is obviously clear to you people. Then come to the regular plural nouns. So regular plural nouns are those nouns whose plural can be made by just adding the word s, right? Like we have cars, bags, cats, boys, fans. On the other hand, we have the irregular plural nouns. So the nouns whose plural are not regular, like which cannot be cannot be made plural by just adding the s. We need some other letters like man, men. We can't call it as man, mans, women, women's, right? So such kind of these are the things that distinguish between regular and irregular plural nouns. So that's it for today, and I hope that you guys, uh, you all have, whether you are a student or any person who wish to get the knowledge of the noun, is quite satisfied with this video lecture. So if you are really satisfied with this lecture, so leave us a comment, suggestion, and do like and share it so that others might get benefit out of it. Thank you very much.